In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and team members can feel like a chaotic circus act. Emails get lost, tasks slip through the cracks, and collaboration becomes a frustrating bottleneck. This is where project management software steps in, offering a structured and organized approach to navigate the complexities of modern work. Among the myriad of options available, Wrike stands out as a versatile and powerful platform. But what exactly is Wrike good for? As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how the right tools can transform teams and drive success. Wrike isn't just another task management app. It's a comprehensive work management solution designed to streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and provide clear visibility into project progress. This video will delve deep into the core strengths of Wrike, explaining its functionalities in simple terms, making it accessible for anyone looking to understand or even write about project management for educational purposes. Centralizing your chaos, the power of a unified platform. One of Wrike's most significant strengths lies in its ability to centralize all project-related information in one easily accessible platform. Forget sifting through endless email threads or scattered spreadsheets. Wrike acts as a single source of truth, bringing together tasks, deadlines, files, communication, and progress tracking. Task management on steroids. At its heart, Wrike excels at task management. You can create, assign, prioritize, and track tasks with granular detail. Subtasks, dependencies, and due dates ensure that every aspect of a project is accounted for. Visual tools like Gantt charts and Kanban boards provide clear overviews of task progress and dependencies, making it easy to identify potential roadblocks. Seamless collaboration. Effective teamwork is crucial for project success. Wrike fosters collaboration by allowing team members to communicate directly within tasks, share files, and provide updates in real time. This eliminates the need for constant email exchanges and ensures everyone is on the same page. Features like tagging, commenting, and proofing tools streamline feedback processes and accelerate decision-making. Document management integrated. No more searching through shared drives or personal folders for that crucial document. Wrike allows you to attach files directly to tasks and projects, keeping all relevant information contextually linked. Version control ensures that everyone is working with the latest iteration, preventing confusion and errors. Calendar and scheduling. Keeping track of deadlines and milestones is essential. Wrike's integrated calendar views provide a clear visual representation of project timelines, allowing teams to manage their workload effectively and anticipate potential conflicts. Resource workload management features help ensure that team members aren't overbooked, promoting a sustainable pace of work. Tailoring to your needs, flexibility, and customization. Wrike understands that every team and project is unique. That's why it offers a high degree of flexibility and customization, allowing you to adapt the platform to your specific workflows and requirements. Customizable workspaces. Wrike allows you to create customized workspaces tailored to different teams, departments, or projects. This ensures that each group has a focused view of the information that is most relevant to them, reducing clutter and improving efficiency. Customizable workflows. Define your own project stages and task statuses to mirror your internal processes. Wrike's customizable workflows ensure that tasks move smoothly through the necessary steps, with automated triggers and notifications keeping everyone informed of progress. Custom fields and forms. Capture the specific data you need for your projects with custom fields. Create tailored request forms to streamline intake processes and ensure you gather all necessary information upfront. This eliminates back-and-forth communication and speeds up project initiation. Dashboards and reporting. Gain valuable insights into project performance with Wrike's customizable dashboards and reporting tools. Visualize progress, identify bottlenecks, and track key metrics to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve your processes. You can create reports on task completion rates, resource utilization, and project timelines, providing a comprehensive overview of your team's performance. Boosting efficiency and productivity, streamlining your operations. Beyond organization and collaboration, Wrike is designed to enhance efficiency and boost overall productivity. Automation rules. Automate repetitive tasks and workflows to free up valuable time for your team to focus on more strategic work. Set up rules to automatically assign tasks, change statuses, send notifications, and more, reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency. Templates and blueprints. Save time and effort by creating project templates for recurring types of work. These templates can include predefined tasks, timelines, and assignments, allowing you to quickly launch new projects with a consistent structure. Integrations with other tools. Wrike seamlessly integrates with a wide range of other business applications, including email clients, calendar apps, file storage services, and CRM systems. This ensures that your project management efforts are connected to your broader ecosystem, eliminating data silos and streamlining information flow. Time tracking. Accurately track the time spent on tasks and projects with Wrike's integrated time tracking features. This provides valuable data for resource allocation, client billing, and project costing. Empowering different teams and industries. Wrike's versatility makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of teams and industries. Marketing teams. Manage campaigns, content creation, and event planning with ease. Track deadlines, collaborate on creative assets, and measure campaign performance. Product development teams. Streamline the product lifecycle, from ideation to launch. Manage sprints, track bugs, and facilitate communication between development, design, and marketing teams. IT teams. Manage projects related to software development, infrastructure upgrades, and IT support. Track tickets, manage resources, and ensure timely resolution of issues. Professional services. Manage client projects, track billable hours, and ensure efficient delivery of services. Improve client communication and project profitability. Educational institutions. While the prompt emphasizes educational standards, it's worth noting that Wrike can also be beneficial for managing academic projects, research collaborations, and administrative tasks within educational institutions. It can help students and faculty organize their work, collaborate on group projects, and track progress towards deadlines. Addressing potential concerns. While Wrike offers a wealth of benefits, it's important to acknowledge potential considerations. Learning curve. With its extensive features, Wrike can have a steeper learning curve compared to simpler task management tools. However, Wrike offers comprehensive training resources and support to help users get up to speed. Cost. Depending on the number of users and the features required, Wrike's pricing can be a significant investment for smaller teams or organizations. However, the value it provides in terms of increased efficiency and productivity can often outweigh the cost.